Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on Samsung RF217 refrigerator, which has a water buildup problem. I heard about this problem in a lot of forums. Also reported that to Samsung, but they don't have a solution to this problem. So I thought of working on this on my own and sharing it across with a larger audience, just in case this helps. So this is the refrigerator, a Samsung. Looks like it's not a very reliable piece. It's been out in the market for a couple of years, but a lot of people have reported the same problem. In the crisper trays, there's a water that builds up. I bought this refrigerator almost a year back. If I can zoom into the model number, let me see. So this is RF217ACRS model. I'm quite hopeful, all 217 series should have the same configuration, same setup. So for the effective utilization, I've removed all the trays from here, as well as the crispers where you store the veggies. There's the water that builds up right there, as well as in the crisper trays. So we're going to resolve that issue today for you. First of all, I've turned off the electric supply to this. So just make sure you turn it off. Either remove the power cord or look at your electric box and turn it off from there. So once you remove that, you'll see 3 screws, 1, 2, and the third one that's right there. So let me quickly unscrew these. I would place this camera at a place where you guys could comfortably see what I'm doing. So I've removed the 3 screws. Now very gently we need to remove this casing. So the first time you're removing it, you have to be really very gentle, because it's really tight in there. I'm doing it for the second time, so I probably am able to do that quite smoothly, but you have to be super gentle with it. So go easy, start from the bottom and just go up one by one. So there are different clippers over there, so you just have to make sure you remove one by one and be very gentle overall. So once you've done that, use both your hands to remove it. So this is how it comes out. Like I said, be very gentle with it. So this is where the condensation is happening, and this is the area where the ice buildup happens. An easier solution is that you could simply turn off your refrigerator and keep it as is for days and let the ice melt on its own. The other way is to de-ice it. You could use warm water, hot water, depending on how much ice buildup you see. Or you could also use a warm blower, an air blower. I have this hot water. I'll pour it in there. See, the water doesn't go down. It's because I still have ice in there. So there's a hole over there, which drains the ice all the way to the drainage, and that is the one that is choked. So this is where the problem is. So we just have to make sure we open up that hole using a warm blower or hot water. So I'm pouring this. To make sure the ice melts. You might have to wait for some time because water would require some time to melt the ice, and once it melts, you'll see that the water flows all the way through, so it won't accumulate over there. It would simply flow through the drainage. So once you're done with that, all you have to do is just hook it back just in the way you removed it. You just have to put back the cover, and let me show you how to do that. Okay, so take this casing the way you got it in. Push it upside and start from the top. Start clipping it back. You'll see these different clippers, so you just have to make sure you clip them exactly in the same place, and you'll see a clicking sound once that goes in. See, that's the sound I'm talking. So once this is in, just have to screw the 3 bolts and you're done. Yeah, so please do give me any feedback. So just a disclaimer, it's just for your help. I assume no responsibility. Just do this at your own risk. Like I said, I had this water problem and this helped me resolve this issue. So do write to me, and I'll certainly get back to you in case you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.